Google just unleashed VO3, a monster of an update, and now anybody can generate Super Bowl quality ads in minutes. Today I want to walk you through how to build an entire marketing system around VO3. I ran a marketing agency of 15 people for 10 years, and I've distilled the best of what I've learned in that time into this simple process that you can use to grow your business or scale your startup immediately. Here's what's crazy. Everybody's having fun with this tool and making viral clips they can share on social media, but not too many people are talking about how insane this is going to be for marketing and business growth. Making videos is now the easy part, and I'm going to cover this in detail. But I'm even more excited to show you how, while we're making these videos, we can build out an entire lead generation machine using AI tools. It starts with one research session that turns into dozens of videos and lead magnets that work around the clock to grow your business. The goal of this first step, this first research session, is to come up with a major topic for our marketing campaign. This marketing campaign can last anywhere from 90 days to possibly a year. And the tool that I like to use for this research session is NotebookLM. This is just notebooklm.google is the new URL. And I've got a lot of videos about NotebookLM, including one that I'll link to in the description about creating a one-person startup. And in that video, I walk you through exactly how to create a full notebook with tons of information about your business. The information that we're going to be focusing on today is this user information. And the quick and dirty of collecting this user information is to go into this sources section, add a source, use this discover sources feature right here to find Reddit pages and Reddit communities all around your different users and specifically the problems that they're encountering. That video in the description goes into depth on that, but the basic outcome there is we create this source here, which is our user pain points source. So maybe you have a file of user pain points that you can use. From here, I'm going to deselect all the sources except for that one user pain points source. And next, I'm jumping into the cheat sheet. I create a cheat sheet like this for every single video that I make. These are all instantly available to anybody who joins my Patreon. I'm going to grab this first prompt here and copy this right into NotebookLM. And as usual, NotebookLM has come up with some great ideas for this marketing campaign based directly from these user pain points. The one that I like the most right here is navigating the healthcare maze, a patient's journey through systematic barriers. Now that we have that, we can move on to step 2, which is creating the core piece of content. This is going to be our lead magnet, a guide, and we're going to use Gemini to build out this guide. Specifically, we're going to use Gemini's deep research functionality, which allows us to create an incredibly in-depth guide. But it's such a powerful tool that we want to make sure we're prompting it right. And for that, I use a process called the meta prompt. This meta prompt is a prompt that creates a prompt. It has nothing to do with Meta, the Facebook company, but it's basically allowing us to take the topic idea out of NotebookLM and convert that into an extensive prompt that we can use to guide our deep research project. And I've done this quite a lot, so this prompt has grown quite a bit over the months that I've been experimenting, but it's basically just saying, hey, help me create a highly detailed prompt that I can use with a large language model to generate a research-backed cornerstone report. This will be a pillar piece of content, a lead magnet, or opt-in download. So letting it know exactly what we're looking for here. And then at the bottom, it's going to have our specifications. So I'm going to copy all of this right here into Gemini. And then I'm going to drop in the specifications, which is just copied and pasted straight out of NotebookLM. I'm separating those specifications with 3 little quotation marks, just so it's a little bit easier for Gemini to understand what the specifications are versus what I'm looking for. We're going to let that run. Okay, and now that has returned a powerful prompt that we can use to guide our deep research. And here it is. It starts here and it goes on and on and on and on. Multiple pages for this prompt outlining what we're looking for in each chapter. So we're covering all of the bases that we found in NotebookLM based on those user pain points. It includes the tone and other instructions with citations. So really powerful stuff. I'm going to grab this prompt now. We're going to open a new chat in Gemini. We're going to go to this 2.5 Pro. We're going to select Deep Research, and we're going to copy and paste that massive prompt in that goes into depth of what we're looking for this guide. And we're gonna let that run. It's outlined the process that it's gonna go through for creating this report. And I clicked Start Research. And here it is. So a very robust report. I think this thing turned out to be 60 pages. And what's super cool is you can export this now right into Google Docs by clicking this button. Now we've got this in a Google Doc and it looks pretty cool, but for an actual PDF download, we're gonna want to make it look even better. And I recently learned that the tool Gamma can now do really cool layouts for documents, not just slides. I'm not sponsored by Gamma or Gemini or any of the tools that I'm gonna be showing you today or pretty much any video I've ever made. This is just the workflow that I've found works great for me. So here at gamma.app, you can start for free, and we go right here to create new, import file, import from Google Drive. It connects right to your drive. Import that patient empowerment document. It's going to take a second, and you want to select document here. Continue. And this is the key. I love that they now allow you to preserve what you've created. Before, Gamma would go through and kind of rewrite everything, but now we were just using it as a design tool and not so much as a writing tool. So we want to preserve all the good stuff that Gemini Deep Research created. A quick note, if your guide is very long, you're going to burn through a lot of different tokens. You can see here, I'm way over the token limit. So you might want to condense your guide down a little bit, which is what I have done. Okay, so here is the shorter version. There's all sorts of different things you can select for the AI images, and the final format, again, needs to be document if we're going to use this as a lead magnet, as a download that people can get when they sign up for your email. I'm going to click continue. And now we get to select the theme for this document. There's a ton of different options. I love this shuffle theme feature. You can even go in and customize it with your brand, colors, fonts, etc. Let's go ahead and click generate, and there we go. It is generating, and here is what we came out with here. So you can see the layout is much better. There's a lot of images here. It just looks much better than a Google Doc. One thing you want to do is go up in here and in your page setup, make sure you pick this letter setting. Otherwise, it's going to default into slides, basically. And from there, you can just export it as a PDF. And now we've got the core download, the lead magnet for our marketing campaign done. It's time to move to the next step. But before we do that, I just want to pause, check in with you, and let you know that if you're feeling a little overwhelmed already, don't worry about it. I've got links in the description here that have other videos that walk you through some of this stuff a little bit more slowly and in greater depth. And if you're feeling overwhelmed with all this AI stuff, I just want to let you know you are definitely not alone. Take a deep breath. That's why I created this channel. I want to help as many people as I can learn how to pivot into this new AI reality and not just work harder, but I truly believe we can lead more fulfilling lives by letting AI do a lot of this hard work so we can just do the fun stuff. So now we can move on to the next step, which is to build a simple landing page for your lead magnet. You can use tools like Lead Pages, or you can even use Gemini to build out a basic landing page and connect that to your MailChimp account. Those are fairly basic things. I'm not going to go into depth on that right here. If you want something like that, let me know in the comments. I'd be happy to do that. What I'm excited to get into is these videos. So we're going to chop up this hub piece of content into a bunch of different spokes that will become the different videos that promote that landing page and that lead magnet, so you can start to get opt-ins that way. And here's the prompt we're going to use for that. I'm just going to copy and paste this into a new Gemini chat string. It basically just says, here is the hub piece of content. Can you help me generate 10 to 20 different ideas of spoke content from this one hub or this cornerstone piece? Then I'm going to copy in that entire guide. And this one, I think the 2.5 flash model is probably okay. I'm gonna let that run. All right, that has run and given us some really good ideas. I really like this one about feeling invisible at the doctor's office. You're not alone. Now I'm gonna follow up with this prompt that just says, hey, give me 5 different twists ideas for that. So just really diving in deeper there, and goes through a little bit more of what we're looking for, that these are gonna be shorts. I think humor works the best when going viral. You can do more of something that teaches as well in these, but I think for VO3 right now in its current status, this humor really pays off. So thinking about things that are, like an SNL type parody, we're going to copy and paste this now right back into Gemini to get some twist ideas for this initial idea. And to be honest, I didn't love what it came back with. It kind of went in a bunch of different directions. So I just said, hey, let's just focus on that feeling invisible at the doctor's office. So this is the part where we got to nudge it a little bit. And this brought me into this idea of just these different ways that doctors can dismiss you when you've got some symptoms. And once we have the core of that idea, we can really start focusing in on creating scripts that are good for VO3. So I've just said, give me 4 different short form video scripts for option 1. I'm going to be using VO3 to generate it. And it's going to be a short form video. So the whole thing's going to be about 40 seconds. So it kind of breaks up these different segments, and it basically describes how VO3 works. Since there's no character continuity, that is the trickiest part in VO3. You've got to just have each character being separate, but still building a story around that. So each segment needs to have a different person, but what they're saying should tell a story. And some cool things to think about are formats such as man on the street interviews, customer testimonials, social media style reaction mashups. Things like that can really help when you're coming up with these montages that will become your final video. And this will change. There's a tool called Flow that can give you more continuity. That is fairly expensive. And I gotta say, with VO3, it is a little more expensive than most AI that you're used to because it takes so much time and energy to generate these clips. You've got to go inside of a personal Google account and have that highest tier. Right now, that tier is running about $150, and then it goes up to $250 in 3 months, something like that. So this is not cheap, but when you see what you can come up with, it's, I think, very powerful if you do have the budget for that. I think there are other ways you can use VO3 and just pay with credits. So if you know exactly how to do that, let me know in the comments. I'm pretty interested in that. And this prompt has returned a bunch of different ideas. And really what I'm looking for is the dialogue in here, some of the things that I think are funny. But to be honest, DeepSeek, the Chinese AI, came up with the absolute funniest stuff. I think it has less guardrails on it than some of the AI that we have access to. Grok Unhinged can work pretty well, I've heard as well. This prompt worked really well. What are some of the most ridiculous things a doctor can say to an urgent issue? Stay in an SNL type vibe. This pulled in some funny stuff, such as bones are just fancy sticks, maybe walk it off. And to be honest, creating this dialogue part is really where you have a lot of back and forth with the AI. And I was finally able to come up with this final dialogue here. I'm not going to read it to you because I'm going to show you the video here in a second, but this is just different patients and doctors having a kind of a ridiculous conversation back and forth. And now it's finally time to get into VO and start creating these videos. So here we are. Just do a search for VO is the main way I've known to find it. You can use it trying in Gemini. You've got to pay the extra price to use it in Flow, but click in Gemini. And on the regular Pro plan, you get a few tries, but not too many. You've really got to upgrade to that ultra level, and you've got to be on a personal account. So if you're inside of a G Suite, I think there's problems there. But again, all the Google billing stuff is very confusing to me. And this is the prompt that ended up working the best in VO3, and it can be expensive kind of iterating through these. You can use a lot of credits really quickly, but this just candid shaky cam footage of a patient and then the dialogue right here. So I'm going to copy this in, going to VO3 in Gemini, and you can see I've got that Ultra now, and I've been generating a bunch of these videos. So here is that one of the candid shaky cam patient. So then you've got to edit all these together. I've got a video all about that, which I will link to now. You can also use CapCut to edit these together. And here's the final result of what I came up with.
Your doctor said, what?
Let me get you a Band-Aid.
Have you tried drinking water?
Dying? Or just dramatic? Let's check WebMD.
I've been having crushing chest pain and left arm numbness for hours.
Have you tried chewing slower?
Sometimes big bites can feel like a heart attack.
I fell down the stairs and my leg is swollen, purple, and bent the wrong way.
Well, bones are just fancy sticks. Maybe walk it off?
Ah! I am literally on fire!
Want to navigate the mess that healthcare has become? Download the guide.
All right, I really got a kick out of making that video. I hope you enjoyed it as well. We've now gone through that entire process, starting with user pain points, figuring out a great topic idea for a hub piece of content, then breaking that into a bunch of different spokes, iterating on what types of content we might want to create for each of those spokes, and then creating a full script that can be used inside of VO3, and then going through and creating these videos. Like I said, generating them is the easy part. You got to iterate through a handful of them, but if you follow that prompt, you should be in pretty good shape. Then editing that together inside of Descript, and now that thing is ready to be blasted out into social media all over the world and promote your different landing pages. So the cheat sheet is absolutely packed with everything I've gone over, all of those extensive prompts, that meta prompt. There was a lot of engineering that went into those, which can really help accelerate your process. This cheat sheet is pages and pages and pages long, and there are 130 others just like it, all instantly available to anybody who joins my Patreon. There's a link in the description to all that. I've also got some coaching options in there as well. And right now I'd like you to check out this video all about becoming a one-person startup. That is the hub piece of content, which this video is a spoke of. So if you haven't seen that, check it out. There's a link right here. I'll see you over there.
Make your dreams come true.